All right. Whoops, sorry about that. Still on page, oh, why is it doing that? Okay, let me, there we go. Okay, still on page 262 of the Go Math textbook. Now we're going over example 2 and a couple other problems as well. So it says write 81 with an exponent by using 3 as the base. So find the correct exponent. So 3 has to be the base. So they're just doing guess and check is their strategy here. So 3 times 3 is 9, and we don't get 81. And then 3 to the third power means 3 times 3 times 3. Well, 3 times 3 we already did was 9, and then 9 times 3 is 27. So we're still not there. And then now we do 3 4 times. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which would now we can just take where we left off with the 27 and then multiply that by another 3. And we get 21, 6, 81. So we found our number, 3 to the 4th. So write using the base and the exponent. So 81, and that's this. The base is 3, the exponent is 4, and it equals 81. So 3 to the 4th equals 81, or 81 equals 3 to the 4th. Okay, number 1, explain how to write repeated multiplication of a factor by using an exponent. So, you just write this out in words. If you have a factor multiplied by itself, you can rewrite it using an exponent to show how many times you need to multiply the base. Alrighty. And number 2, think smarter. Is 5 to the 2nd equal to 2 to the 5th? Explain why or why not. Well, to explain that, let's show it. So 5 to the 2nd means 5 times 5, right? 5 is the base, so that's what is repeated. How many times is it repeated? Twice. And we know that equals 25. So what is 2 to the 5th? Well, that means 2 is repeated. How many times? 5 times. So 2 times 2 times 2, there's 3. Times 2, there's 4. Times 2, now we have 5 2's. And what does that equal? Well, let's find out. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. And 16 now times the last 2 is 32. So no, they are not equal. And then I think this math is pretty clear as to why they are not equal. One equals 25 and the other equals 32. Okay. It's a common mistake, though, for students to look at base and exponent and see this as 5 times 2 and say, oh, 5 times 2, that equals 10. This is incorrect. And then they'll look at this and say, oh, 2 to the 5th, that's 2 times 5, that equals 10. Oh yeah, those are the same. No, this is a common error. Do not make that mistake. Okay? All right, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.